Hello guys and welcome to Life is About Right. This is your host Kamal, and today, as you have already guessed from the title of the video, I am in France, and right now I'm already in my apartment. It's in Toulouse, France. Let me just show you around. But let's get back to the place where it all started. Hello guys and welcome to Life is About Right. This is your host Kamal. I'm sorry for not being there online for a very long time, but that was for a very good reason, and trust me, you already know the reason because you have already seen the title of the video. So yes, I'm going to Europe and I'll be traveling to Toulouse, that is in France, and it is going to be a business trip, but since it will be a pretty long trip, so I'll be traveling to nearby states, nearby countries as well, and that is the reason I have written the title as this. I'll be traveling on Saturday night, that will be technically on Sunday. So let me just show you my packing. Traffic. One, two, three. Heading towards the immigration point and then the security check. So far. So finally check-in complete हो गया है, security check-in is done. But let me tell you one interesting story. वैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना, इंडियंस ही हैं लोग जो है ना भर के सामान ले जाते हैं एंड देन उनको सिक्योरिटी चेक-इन पे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, बट यार सब लोग ऐसे ही हैं. मेरे आगे कोई फ्रेंच टूरिस्ट लोग थे जो शायद इंडिया घूमने आए थे, एंड दे वर लाइक अराउंड 8 to 10 पीपल अराउंड, बट ऑलमोस्ट 4 केसेस ऐसे हुए कि उन्होंने ज़्यादा लगेज भर दिया. बेसिकली मैं पॉइंट नहीं खाना था लेकिन खाना पड़ रहा है.
The location of your life jacket is indicated on the label right in front of you. Passez la clé de votre bus, attachez et serrez la ceinture. Place it over your head and pull the strap tightly around your waist.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? And now, I lose count. It's like my love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a dream.
In Paris but बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो गया है. Heading towards F55. Probably टाइम पे पहुंच जाऊँ. It's 9:25. My flight leaves at 9:45. Finally Toulouse का flight पकड़ लिया. Heading towards the Toulouse flight right now. The weather looks beautiful. It's 9:30 almost. I did that in half an hour. Old car. So does Google Maps work here? Google Maps?
Google Maps?
Maps.
No. That is well.
WR. So that's my apartment. This place is quite deserted. Excuse me. One, two. It's a studio apartment, very small. I wasn't expecting it, but okay. So let me just show you a quick round. Okay, this is the power socket, this is the door from where I entered just now, and this is the look which I get. Sofa, TV. So this thing here is a foldable, it is a sofa cum bed. So if I pull it down like this, the bed will come. So this will squeeze out. Don't want the bed right now. And this is small kitchen, fridge. Some utensils are there inside because of the apartment, and this is the bathroom. And balcony is also there, so that's I think so far the best part about this place. It's a very nice view actually. I can see some boats there. Yes. I think that's the boat ride that I was looking at when I was checking what else to do on cruise. Okay, nice. So basically this is the apartment that I've got. This is on the main road only. Seems good. There are so many things that I have planned, and the time is already 12:30. So I need to take SIM. I am not able to connect to the Wi-Fi right now, so I don't know what will I do with that. Stay tuned.